This is a high-speed CNC drilling machine equipped with a CCD region position system, which is especially designed for microhole processing of sharp products. The effective processing stroke of this machine is x-axis 400 mm, y-axis 300 mm, and z-axis 300 mm. A-axis rotation 360 degrees. It is suitable for products that require multi-angle automatic indexing and automatic position drilling. The CNC system adopts the Taiwan Daito brand, which is the same brand absolute wing servo motor, and the Daito CCD industrial video system is optional. The relative position of the products is automatically scanned and corrected by CCD, and the numerical view is automatically entered into the machine to coordinate after circulation, so that the product can be accurately processed at multiple angles to meet the customer's automated production. The first axis uses a harmonic servo turntable and is equipped with a pneumatic crank to achieve automatic and rapid connectivity of the workpiece, and cooperates with the robot loading and unloading method, which is convenient and fast while ensuring processing accuracy. The spindle adopts a 60,000 RPM high-speed and high-precision spindle, which can not only have high processing efficiency but also has good guarantee for tool wear. The split roll tool like this has 4 tools in total, supports automatic tool chain, and can complete multiple processes with one clamping. The lead screw and guide rails are selected from the brand of Taiwan Highway, with high precision and good stability. The transmission shaft is equipped with an automatic lubricating oil pump. The system is lubricated regularly and chronically without the manual maintenance. Before the machine leaves the factory is tested for accuracy and compensated it by a USA API laser interferometer. The whole machine accuracy is kept within 0.02 mm. After sample is processed, it runs for 48 hours run test.